is Saurabh Bhand. I'm from Pune, and I was suffering from Ptosis with Marcus Gun phenomenon, and it was from the birth, and therefore I needed to cure it. So I came across the local source, that is internet, and I browsed who are the best surgeons for this thing in India, and I came across the name of Dr. Shome from the Esthetic clinics. I researched about him, about his experience, about his studies, and where all he practiced, and all the reviews that he had received, and they were completely phenomenal. And I thought to take a consultation from him. So I visited Mumbai, the BKC clinic, and he like during the first meet only I decided to go for the surgery, because the doctor was very confident about what he needs to do, and about what treatment that needs to be given for this phenomenon. And I was satisfied by the percentage that he gave. That was 90 to 95% of the correction in the ptosis and the Marcus Gun phenomena as well. So that was a very good percentage, and I went for the surgery, and I'm very happy with the results. Thank you.